Hi there, Katie here from WPTC, and I just wanted to give you a quick little overview of the unit conversion, how you set it up, and what you can expect. So here you can see we already have it up and running on the Pinch of Yum site. It's just a simple little toggle here. And it's been up on the Pinch of Yum site for several weeks and it's working really well, so we wanted to go ahead and share it with all of you. And kind of behind the scenes here, what's happening is all of your ingredients, when you set up a new recipe card, are being sent to Nutrifox. The Nutrifox database is matching it and parsing it and sending it back to your site so that you have some really accurate conversions here. And if you want to enable it on your site, just pop into the Tasty Recipe settings. You'll see this option here now for unit conversion. Just enable that, save the changes. And the unit conversions will start appearing on any new recipes that you publish. If you want it to appear on any of your older recipes, all you need to do is pop into the post, update the recipe card. All those ingredients will be, sent out to Nutrifox and back to your site, and you'll see that option appear here. There is a chance that you will receive an error message, and that will look something like this. This just means that one of the ingredients wasn't able to be matched on the Nutrifox database, and just reach out to support and we'll try and get that fixed for you. This error message will only appear on the back end in the admin, so everything will still look great to your readers. In one of the upcoming releases of Tasty Recipes, probably the next one, we'll also include a cron job, which will send all of your recipes to Nutrifox for processing and back to your site. But for this first release of the unit conversion, we wanted you to have a little bit more control over where this feature appears, and we wanted to be able to troubleshoot any issues quickly that came up without having it all over your site. But we're confident that it's going to be working well, but if you have any issues with the unit conversions, please reach out to support and we'll work on getting those fixed up as soon as possible. Thanks a lot.